Auditing Standard SA 710 Part 2. Audit Procedures. Comparative information refers to amounts and disclosures from one or more prior periods presented for comparison with the current period. There are two approaches for presenting this information: corresponding figures and comparative financial statements, each with different reporting responsibilities. The auditor's first step is to ensure that the financial statements include the required comparative information and that it is appropriately classified. They must then evaluate whether the comparative information agrees with prior period amounts and disclosures, and if the accounting policies are consistent with the current period. Any changes in accounting policies must be properly accounted for and disclosed. If the auditor identifies a material misstatement in the comparative information during the current period audit, additional audit procedures are necessary to determine its existence. If the prior period's financial statements were audited, the auditor must also follow the relevant requirements of SA 5603, Audit Reporting. Now, let's talk about audit reporting, specifically when corresponding figures are presented. If the prior period's auditor's report had a qualified opinion, disclaimer of opinion, or adverse opinion with unresolved matters, the auditor must modify their opinion on the current period's financial statements. If the auditor finds a material misstatement in the prior period's financial statements, and it has not been addressed as per the financial reporting framework, they must express a qualified opinion or adverse opinion in the current period's report, modified with respect to the corresponding figures. In cases where prior period financial statements are misstated but have not been amended, the current report may include an emphasis of matter paragraph, describing the circumstances and referring to relevant disclosures in the financial statements. If the prior period financial statements were audited by a predecessor auditor, the auditor must include certain information in an other matter paragraph in the current report. Thanks for watching.